Hello, good morning class. Today we start equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.6. First question is your 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equals to 2. 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equals to 13 by 6. Here we understand how to reduce the pair of linear equations in this question. Let 1 upon x is equals to u and 1 upon y is equals to v. By doing so, u by 2 plus v by 3 is equals to 2. Taking the LCM here, 3u plus 2v is equals to 12, and in second equation we have u by 3 plus v by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Taking the LCM, we got the equation 2u plus 3v is equals to 13. By solving these equations through elimination method, we get the value of v is equals to 3. But here we assume first v is equals to 1 by y, that is 1 by y is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1 by 3. Put the value of v in equation first, we got the value of u which is equals to 2. And what is u? U is 1 upon x, that is 1 upon x is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2. Next equation, 7x minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5 and 8x plus 7 by y upon xy is equals to 15. What we have to do? We have to separate the denominators, that is 7 upon y minus 2x is equals to 5 and 8y plus 7 by x is equals to 15. Now 1 upon x is equals to u and 1 upon y is equals to v. Taking u and v, we got the value of v, that is 1, and 1 upon y is equals to v, that is y is equals to 1. Now put the value of v in equation 1, we got the value of u, where u is equals to 1 and u is equals to 1 upon x, so x is equals to 1. So the solution is x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1. In this way we are applying the reducible method. Here we reduce our variables x and y and their combinations in place of u and v. Next question says that Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours, okay, and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Ritu can row downstream in the flow of the river. It can move 20 km in 2 hours, and upward to the stream it move 4 km in 2 hours, right? Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. You have to find the speed of the river and the speed in still water when the water is not running, right? Let the speed of boat in still water be x km per hour and speed of current be y km per hour. According to question, speed of rowing upstream is x minus y km per hour and speed of rowing downstream is x plus y km per hour. Now according to question, the question says 20 kilometers in 2 hours, that is x plus y into 2 is equals to 20. Here we use the relation of speed is equals to distance upon time. Clear? Now x minus y into 2, that is 4, and equations are x plus y is equals to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2. By solving these two equations, we got the value of x is equals to 6 km per hour and y is equals to 4 km per hour. Clear to all of you? Next question, number 3rd. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. Ruhi moves, she uses bus as well as train, right, to cover the distance of 300 km. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train, okay, and the remaining by bus. Now, according to question, let the speed of the train be x km per hour and speed of bus be y km per hour. Time taken by Ruhi to travel 60 km by train is 60 upon x, and time taken by Ruhi to travel 240 km by bus is 240 upon y, because total distance is 300 km. If she travels 60 km by train, then the remaining is 240 which she travel by bus. Clear? Now according to question, 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equals to total time taken 4 hours, right? Now Solving this, we get the value 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equals to 4. Further, next condition, if she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. It means she already taken 4 hours plus 10 minutes also, right? So for 10 minutes, we have to convert it into hour. That is 10 by 60 is your 1 by 6 hours. It means 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equals to 4 plus 1 by 6. By solving this, we get 100 upon x plus 200 upon y equals to 25 upon 6. Now, here reducible method is applied. 1 upon x is equals to u and 1 upon y is equals to v. By solving this, we get the value of v is 1 by 80, that is y is equals to 80 km per hour. Put the value of v in equation. First, we get the value of u, which is equals 1 by 60. So 1 upon x is equals to u, that is x is equals to 60 kilometers per hour. So the speeds of train and bus are 60 km per hour and 80 kilometers per hour. Clear to all of you? If there is any doubt in this video, ask me. Thank you, class.